Hey explorers, I am Isha and you all are watching Explore with Isha. I am here in Mumbai. The journey has started, it has begun. I am super excited for this trip and my first destination is Coimbatore. I am about to reach the airport. I have an evening flight to catch. Mumbai airports is one of the busiest airports, and what I love about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Mumbai Airport is that it's designed very beautifully. Yes, I have made it on time. Sat in the bus, which is now going to take me to my flight. I have booked the Indigo Airlines because I love their service and hospitality, especially if any senior citizen is traveling with you, like your nani or dadi. Go for Indigo, they are always there to help you out. I am saying this based on my personal experience. Up in the air, you can never get bored if you book an window seat. Time just flies by watching the clouds, and the best part about any morning or evening flight is that you get to see an amazing sunrise or sunset view. The clouds, the sky, the color of it has been changed. They look more like a cotton candy. The sky is just the prettiest right now, and I took some selfies. And oh, let me tell you, COVID is not yet over, guys, so wearing a mask is compulsory or mandatory in flights. The tiny twinkling lights that you see are actually the city lights. We are just about to reach Coimbatore. If you're traveling longer distances, like I am traveling from Maharashtra to Tamil Nadu, so traveling by air is a very good option because it's convenient and faster. You reach in about 1.5 hour maximum. It just saves up time and energy. I know it's on the expensive side, but if you book earlier, it's cheaper. Check various sites so that you might get some good deals and offers and discounts as well. There you go, touchdown Coimbatore. I have finally reached and booked an Ola. Now I am straight heading towards the hotel. Coimbatore is one of the major metropolitan cities in the state of Tamil Nadu. I have never visited Coimbatore. This is my first time. If you're visiting Ooty, it's just 97 kilometers from here. Talking about the hotel, I am staying at the Orbis. It's very close by from the airport. It's about 2 to 3 kilometers, and it takes 10 to 15 minutes to reach. It's located in the main city area on the bustling streets. It's a 3-star hotel. Address is Avinashi Road, Pila Mendu Hope College, Coimbatore. Where I am standing right now, the entrance or the entry point, it's very airy and breezy. The their lobby section is very well lit, and it has plenty of space to sit around. That's our luggage, by the way. Our check-in process was very smooth as we had already done the booking through Make My Trip, and our room is on the second floor. As soon as we settled down in the room, we ordered some tea. This tea break was much needed after a tiring day. The cutest part is that they provide you small, cute sugar cubes. I have visited many hotels, but they don't provide you such sugar cubes. Orbis Hotel definitely does. The tea was just perfect. For the evening munchies, we ordered assorted pakoras, onion pakoras. Along with it, we ordered some potato cheese shots, and we have mayo and sauce. I would highly recommend you these munchies because they were very flavorful and delish. This video is the part 1 of Coimbatore. In part 2, I will be covering the Orbis room tour as well as the breakfast, the morning breakfast. So stay tuned for that. And in the dinner, we had this paneer sabzi along with some garam fulkas and rotis. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the part 2. Till then, bye bye.